While making my level builder meme game, I realized that the way I did the leaderboard system in my game would cause me to be homeless. If you watched my other video, the making of my level builder game, you already know all about this. Ugh. Embarrassing. Anyway, in that video, I thought of a potential solution, which is to load the leaderboard file into an Azure function within the same data center region, so the data transfer price is free, and then send the leaderboard back to the client in small chunks on the fly as the player scrolls through. So, favorite published level leaderboards. Is that the leaderboard in blob storage? Why do they call it blobs? Such a funny name. Take me to the blobs. I want the blobs. Yes, I'm at the blobs. Okay, leaderboards. This is an undertaking, man. I think we should start with the client because then we know exactly the shape of the data that we need to get. We're going to be scrolling, and when it stops scrolling after maybe a third of a second, go and find 100 leaderboard entries around where we just stopped. I can't download the whole file at once. It'll be like 150 megabytes and I will be homeless. Whoa, I made this whole like generic system and now I forgot how it works. Insecure connection not allowed. What does that mean? Let's see, what's wrong with the server? Ah, allowed in development bills. That is smart right there. Now, ooh, I think it worked. No error. Upgrade. Play fab. Yeah, dude. Look at me. I'm such a good boy committing my code. Scroller scroll. This is what we need. Scroller scrolling changed. Let me look up how to use C# delegates. How to use... This shouldn't be taking so long. This is a simple thing. I've gotten so bad at programming. That just makes no... Oh, wait, what? Oh, I put it into the wrong thing. Oh, I'm such an idiot this whole time. Why isn't the debugger starting up? It just quits instantly. What is this? Why is it crossed out? What does this mean? Not supported by Unity Technologies. It's literally made by Unity Technologies. Is you dumb, yeah? What, so they just got rid of it? This is such sad news. I thought Unity was meant to be good. I'm gonna put on my glasses so I don't cry. How can Unity have tons of teams doing a million things, acquiring companies left and right, but not have enough developers to maintain something as essential as this? Literally, like a debugger. How else are you meant to code? Oh my god, you can't just tell us to switch to a different code editor. Mate, come on, $17.4 billion this company is worth. And they can't hire a single developer to maintain what is arguably the most important part of Unity development. They also just merged with a company that made malware. Alright, well, everyone on stream, I'm kind of depressed. I can't develop a game like this. I'll call it a day. Terrible news. Right, so we're going to continue where we left off yesterday, where I got depressed because I thought that the debugger wasn't working anymore in Unity, but it turns out all I needed to do was restart my computer. So now we have the debugger. My life is so much better. What, you want to see Meme Game 2? Meme Game 2, ladies and gentlemen. Make Chad getting huge. Oh. Now we need a way to represent the chunk of data. We should make a class for it, to be honest. Int start index, end index. Is chunk the right word? What is a chunk in programming? It's just a set of data. Right, let's code this server, boy. Leaderboard.cs. To be honest, just copy and paste. Whoa, Unity's just bugging out. Bun that shit, fam. Semicolons everywhere. Fine, I will default throw new shouldn't happen. Redline, bun that. How to rename folder in blob storage. Am I allowed to rename it here in the console? Please, Microsoft, stop being a little bitch, yeah? Every other cloud service would let me rename it. What's the point of selecting it if nothing else happens? So stupid. Fine, I'll download it and then re-upload it. Oh, Crash Bandicoot music, let's go. Man, Microsoft just don't understand, like, basic, like, human things, right? So let's just, like, win some random level. PP poo poo copy. That is sus. I'll give it access anyway. Play level. Let's just play it and win so it creates a leaderboard. Oh, that worked. Cool. Now, hopefully it'll create the leaderboard on the back end. Oh, I should check Firebase before doing that. Is there like a leaderboard user data? No, there's no concept of a leaderboard in Firebase. No, the leaderboard didn't create. Why is that? Oh, because it's a cron job. It doesn't just run every single time. I need to trigger the cron job from PlayFab itself. Don't crash on me. Here we go. It's finished deploying. Hope there's nowhere else. Oops. Okay, this is going to invalidate all the existing data in the database. It's just not going to work. Ah, we just updated this. We need to deploy it again. Nice. The deployment completed. Perfect. That's what I like to see. Failed. Suck my dick and balls. Why did it fail? Internal server error. Oh, I'm going to have to go and inspect the function logs. Oh, and then, of course, Microsoft takes forever. I wish I could just run this locally. Run is your function locally. Oh, workspace local. Oh. Wait, am I in workspace local? Resources, local project. Oh, look at this. Wow. Now I don't need to wait for it to deploy and then run it. I can just run it locally. See, I've learned my lesson. Don't empty the bin too fast. Only empty it when you need to, because you might have stuff in there that you wish you didn't delete. Okay, so we want to download the file. We'll either need to send the level ID or the leaderboard ID in the request. Maybe the level ID is better. Public string level ID. And back on the client, we need to give it publish level ID. That's just life. You know, that's just life. That's what all the people say. Okay, what were we doing? Why did we go down this rabbit hole? Oh, because we changed the leaderboard to take a generic. And I think now it should work. Just enjoy the sound of my smooth, silky voice on my brand new Shure microphone. The Shure SM7B. Cost me like 300 quid. I can afford it. I'm a software engineer, boy. Instead of score leaderboard entry, now we can do T leaderboard entry. See, type safety is a good thing, where T leaderboard entry is of type leaderboard entry. Not gonna lie, I think we've set ourselves up in a decent position to continue work very effectively. Let's talk about Carlson.
What's up, gamers? Honestly, I haven't really gotten anything done on Carlson, and like, for some reason, I just can't seem to work on it. Like, I
can't seem to work on it, guys. He can't seem to work on it because he's not a good game dev. That's why. He didn't go through the years of pain and suffering like I did. So he's given up when it gets hard. Sucks to be him. That's why I don't want to grow too quickly now. I want to finish all this stuff that actually makes me able to upload meme game. Might have to delay it a little bit, but it's definitely coming. So we were changing the response. I'm gonna put 69 for the time being to do make not 69. Cringe. That is so confusing, man. I need to remake a Trello card. Test that the jump. What do you mean, what is a PSP? PSPs were huge. Actually, I guess it must have been before your time, if you're quite young. Only 90s kids will understand. I can replace all this code with 10101010 if that makes it any easier to understand. This might be a bit more simple for you to understand. Alright, how do I lose my code? Alright. No, I'm back.
Greetings from the motherland.
Hello. Hello, it's the dog. Doggy. Judy! Oh, goodbye, doggy. Do you want to come say hi to my stream?
Yeah.
They're so excited to see you. Because you're a girl. Say hello.
Hi. Guys, if you live in London, right, come to my DJ gig tomorrow.
I don't think anyone here is into that kind of scene, but you can try anyway.
My name is Tatiana, not Layla.
Oh my god, my views went up so much because there was a girl in my stream.
Lol.
Can you just sit here while I'm coding and just like show your tits? Don't actually show your tits. I know you would. You're a slag.
I was literally about to lift up my shirt.
Guys, stop being so sweaty and stay even when there's not a girl here. God damn it. Okay, is this inclusive or exclusive? Let's just think it through. Say start index equals 69. Say end index equals 420. Will this do that for us? Well, let's see. Let's do a C# online, .NET Fiddle. Let's just do a little mini version of what we're trying to do. 0, 1, 2 to 3, 4. Inclusive. Nice. Hi, can you adopt me? I'm a cat. Sure, I'll adopt you, and then you can be friends with little fella over here. Do you want to do some coding? Here, do some coding. Come on, code. Fix my game. Oh, should we get the dog to play meme game? No, because there's an error. Red line. Fix it. This dog's become floppy. Okay, now compiled. So let's get the dog to play some meme game. Right. Subscribe. Oh, you're gonna throw an error again. Oh, what? Why is it still a string? Do I need to like apply some special JSON.NET thing to the leaderboard type? Hey, look at that. So now, hopefully, hey, it finally shows the entries. I love it. I love it. Okay. I'm gonna go get some water. Do you guys want to watch clips or shorts? I'll put on some shorts. We like to keep things modular. Separation of concerns. So, it should be the responsibility of the shield component to hook into the health change event, enforced by the health interface, conformed to by the player mono behavior. Sorry, did I ask? Piss off, mate. I'm not done explaining. My apologies. Shit, okay, I'm back. I think we need to create a fake leaderboard and test the scrolling. So put that ball in there, rectify it, and then upload this to blob storage. Hey, it loads all the fake data. And then if I click go to your, hey, look at that. And it goes to my position. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So the way we do it is before we even send the request, we basically populate the entries list with like empty data. So it still shows when you're scrolling. And then we change the value of that empty entry with like the actual data when it comes from the server. Load, please. Thank you. Nice. Add chunk here. Always. Let's try again. Okay, nice. Index was out of range. What was it? Nice. Okay, it works. Not load disk space again. Come on, don't load disk space me. Now all of a sudden there's 48 gigabytes available. Oh well. boring. I'm sorry. Learn to code, my dude. I've been streaming for 5 hours. If you find this boring, you can watch the stream highlights video that I will eventually make and put on my second channel. So I scroll down, not loaded, whatever, loading. Then I scroll back to the top. It's all not loaded. How? So it's nothing to do with this. Oh wait, no, it is because of that, because now it's working. So if we uncomment this return and then try it again, then scroll to not loaded, loads, scroll to the top, and it's back to not loaded. So, something's going on here. Oh, we need to show an error message. Should we show an error message? Yeah, we should show an error message. Show an error message. Error mode will pop up. Oh, it's behind it. So it was saying that the best score is 0. I don't know if that's true. Let's check the local stats. Level stats. Social credit 0, high social credit 0. Okay, maybe it is true. Let's try and play the level and get a higher social credit. -9. No, my score is going down. It needs to go up. Oh no, now I can't win. God damn it. God damn it. Let me see if I can check the entries copy. Why isn't it showing me like the ... Oh my god, going more and more. So this is high score 235. This index is 483. So what's 484? That should be slightly lower, surely. 59, nice. 483, 69. Nice. Very cool. Nice, it's still there. Jump to the highest social credit. Loading. Nice. All the way back to the top. I think it works. Let's test it out. I think we've just made my level builder leaderboard system so much more efficient. This could save me so much money. What a lucky thought. Yeah, shouldn't get, because nice. Oh, I think it's working. Nice. Wow. I'll put some breakpoints. No, 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 they've all followed me down. No, 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 get me out of here. Would you like help with that? Would you like some goddamn freaking... Where is Clippy? Would you like some help with that? Ah! We finished the leaderboards. I'm gonna make a video on it now before my next stream, I think. It's been real. Check out my YouTube channel if you haven't already. You can play Meme Game 1. It's on the iOS or App Store. It's been great. It's been real. Adios.